Yo, what's up guys, so welcome back to the channel. So first of all, I just want to say a special thanks to everyone who's actually supported the channel this far. So yeah, if you didn't yet, please do subscribe to the channel, do like and comment on this video. So without further ado, let's get into this. Yeah, so many of you might know the car from the channel. I featured it about a year ago, and it's actually the top video on the channel with over 57,000 views at the moment. So this is just basically a retake of that car, and yeah, a full-on interview with the owner. Yeah, so we joined here with the owner. His name is Byron. So welcome, Byron. And thanks to him for actually bringing his ride out here. Byron, just tell us why you actually bought this specific RXI.
First of all, I'm a big Toyota fan, and I've owned Toyotas like my whole life. You understand? So what, from the first car till now, it's just Toyota. So that is the reason why I'm so big Toyota fan, and the reason why the 2012 especially is because it's a fun car. It's for a 1.6. That's great power, because I mean, if you put your foot down, you go for a 1.6. That's why I say this 2012 specifically is, oh, I don't know, I can't explain it. Especially the color. That's the whole thing that caught my eye on this car. So that's the reason why I'm so much over this vehicle of mine.
So we got the car here at the back. So Byron's just gonna take us through the car. So we're gonna start by the heart of the car, the engine bay. So we have the motor here, the heart of this car, what it's known for. Did you actually do any performance upgrades to the motor?
No performance whatsoever. I like the OEM look of the motor, and especially fuel consumption is great on this car, so I don't have any complaints about it. I don't have any plans to do any upgrades because I'm happy the way the car performs. I just keep it clean.
And as you can see here, this car is in pristine condition. Every nut and bolt is there, nothing is missing. It's literally original, no induction, nothing. The plenum is closed, there's no ITBs on. And yeah, everything is in its place. I see you kept the plenum box closed. So is there a reason for that, or do you actually plan on running open throttles or putting the trumpets on?
No, I'm planning on keeping it closed, because at the end of the day, I know if I'm gonna open it up, I'm gonna drive off with the sound, and I mean, I don't want to abuse this car, like, you know. So I respect it though, because I mean, that's my baby, if I can call it something like that.
But even without the trumpets, the ITB sound, it still gives a nice sound with the exhaust. Just tell us what exhaust you're running.
It's a Power Flow 57mm exhaust, and for me that's enough. I don't need anything louder.
The nice thing of the exhaust, when you drive in the car, it doesn't give it a drone. It's just perfect.
Especially when you drive like slow, you don't hear it. But
as soon as you put down, that's when you,
but the high RPMs, and then it comes through.
Yeah, so you guys can see there, this paint is in an extremely nice condition. So Byron, did you actually respray this car?
No, never. Still original from factory. So yeah, I'm just trying to keep my hand on it and keep it the way it is. But yeah, it's a good color.
Definitely, no?
Pull the eye though.
Yeah, so as we can see, you basically kept the car OEM plus. So is this your preferred look?
Yeah, this is my preferred look. The OEM, I'm over that because the more standard look, the better at the end of the day. You understand? To keep the car original. I'll just start to compliment it with the yellow number plates. And then the twin cam 20 L sticker on the back door, as you can see. So yeah, that's all. But this is the look that I'm gonna keep.
Actually plan on doing a rum change on this car anytime
No,
soon.
I'm not doing any rum change. The OEM rum is perfectly fine. It's actually like it is made for the car, so that's the whole thing. So I will not put any other rums on. This is the rum that's gonna stay on this car till I depart one day. One thing I forgot to mention, I just added the STI lip to let the car look a bit lower and to finish the front off. The lip is needed on this car to complete the look.
What suspension are you running on the car?
At the moment it's a Koenig lowering kit, but I'm planning on putting coilovers in. The reason why I want the coilovers is because for the stance look, you know, and I just want to dip it a bit down in front, you know, just to give it a more sporty and maybe a nosedive, yeah, for a sportier and a more like aggressive, you know, look. So yeah, when you see me in the rear view mirror, you must know I'm coming. Just playing.
Just by looking at the interior, the seats alone, you can see that there's hardly been people at the back. It looks like it came from the showroom. Have you actually done anything to the interior, like recovered the seats?
Nothing like that. It's still original from factory. Although your ears just from the driver's side, just of stuff scuffing in and out. That's the only problem I have. The other thing about the seats, especially this front seat, is how it grips you, man. Especially taking sharp corners, bends or whatever, how it holds you comfortably, you know, you don't move around or fall around. So that is a plus for the seats especially.
Yeah, so Toyota, basically they didn't just bring this car out to be a family car. There's a sportier side to it as well. So coupled with the 4AG 20 valve, obviously, the high revving motor, then you have the interior, the bucket design seats with the red stitching, the red dials, comfort as well, like the electric mirrors, you have the electric windows. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I just want to say again a special thanks to Byron for actually coming out today.
No problem, Zaid.
So yeah, before we end off, do like the video and do comment on the video, please. I'll put a link to the old video which we done in this car, and let us know what car you'd like next on the channel, so comment down below.